Cleaning out the glass house today, and I discovered this amazing box. I thought, ooh, treasure. So I was very excited. There's handles all the way around it and hinges on the back. So I lifted it up. I thought, what's inside? And notice this little hole, a bit of dust in there. Just goes down to the wooden base. A few spiders were in there. This is hollow, but you can't get in. No secret drawers. This too is hollow around here, but you can't get in. No secret drawers. It's quite heavy and flat. And I'm thinking, what is this box? There's nothing underneath except a few spiders, so you can't get in. So I wonder, students, if you can work out what this box is all about. What do you put in here? And you can't store anything. It's very heavy, so maybe it's about squashing something. Anyway, that is this week's gardening lesson. Use your imagination. Write a little story about what you think this box is, and maybe we can work out how to use it in gardening when you come back. Okay, enjoy. Oh, there's the chickens.